Hey, what's going on guys? This is Bicky here, and in this video I'm going to show you a high ticket affiliate marketing program, and I'm going to show you how much I made from that affiliate marketing program and how much a complete beginner is making from that high ticket program. Okay, so guys, some of you who are already following me for last few weeks, you already know that I have been pushing this affiliate marketing program. And this is my computer dashboard now, so I'm going to take you on the dashboard of this program and I will show you how much I made. Okay, so guys, this is the login dashboard, so I'm going to log in here. So I will click on submit to login here, and I'm going to click here dashboard. So $25,850 guys. So as you can see on this affiliate marketing program, I have made $75,000 in 2 months. Okay, and if I reload the screen here, so as you can see guys, all are real and all is legit. Okay, so basically guys, this is the program that I have been working on for last 2 months. And I made this in 2 months. Okay, I made this in 60 days. Okay, there are several affiliate marketing program in the market right now, and the reason I chose this one because of its high commission. It pays you 100% commission, it pays you big commission. So it's like you make 5 sale, and that's 5 sale equal to $10,000 per month. Okay, so in this high ticket affiliate marketing program, it's like you do same effort and you put same time and you make way more than what you would be making in some other affiliate marketing program. Okay, so this $75,000 I started in September, in the first week of September, and it's November now, so it's like 2 months. Okay, and in 2 months I have made $75,000. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you some beginners, okay, the newbies who have never made a dime online, how much they are making from this affiliate marketing program. Okay, so guys, this is the Facebook group of this affiliate marketing program. Okay, and if we see here, Paolo, boom, another $2,000 in the bag. Thanks David Eckel for creating this system. So basically guys, David Eckel is the guy who has created this system. So here Paolo made $2,000 today. Here Kyle, $8,000 in 1 day. So $8,000 is someone monthly income. And someone is making that money in 1 day, guys. And if we keep scrolling here, Lisa, she made $25 today. Okay, Garrett, he made just had $4,000 a day thanks to this amazing system. So Garrett made $4,000 today. And if I keep scrolling, Jen, she made $4,000 in 35 minutes. Wow, that's amazing guys, $4,000 in 35 minutes. And if I scroll, Ben, another $500 came in last night just before the kids bedtime. So Ben made $500. Karen, yesterday while staying home from work, over $34,000 in 46 days. So Karen made $34,000 in 46 days, and yesterday she made $3,000. Okay. Goffy, he made $2,000. James, he made $2,000. Caris, he made $2,000 in 10 minutes. Greg, he made $250 first commission. So he made his first commission of $250. Derek made $4,000 today using this automated system. I didn't personally know and talk to a single member. Thank you David Eckel. So Derek made $4,000 today. Lisa, my first ever sale online in 24 hours. So guys, like I said, a lot of people who are complete newbie and complete beginner, they are getting their first sale using this done for you affiliate marketing program. Okay, so here are more testimonial guys. This Ben again, he made $1,000 today. Saj, she made $1,000 here and $500 here. Benedict, he made $100. So all these people who are complete beginner, not just people like me, but the people who are complete beginner, who are complete newbie, they are making sales. You know, you can see here in the group. So basically guys, I'm gonna introduce you to this system. I'm gonna show you how you can get started on this system, and you can make commissions like these people, like $4,000, $2,000, $100, $1,000. Okay, so basically guys, this is a done for you system. Okay, this is a complete done for you automated system. Okay, and here you send traffic. Okay, you send the traffic, and once you are sending the traffic, this done for you system have 7 income stream. Okay, so here is income stream number 1, here is income stream number 2, income stream number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this done for you system has 7 income stream. Like if we compare to some other affiliate program where you send 1 click to 1 offer, but here you send 1 click and that audience, that traffic interact with 7 income stream, and you have the option, you have the chance to make money from that 1 click from 7 different income stream. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna introduce you to this done for you system. So okay guys, so this is the system. Okay, this is the Profit Passport David Dekel program, the high ticket program that we all are working on. And here when you land on this page, you're gonna enter your email here and you gonna click yes, let me in. So guys, once you will click yes, let me in, you're going to land here. Okay, you will land to your dashboard. So I would recommend you to watch this video, as it say welcome, watch this first. So watch this complete video. It's a webinar that shows you everything step by step, so watch it complete. Okay, and here you can see the income stream number 1, income stream number 2, okay, income stream number 3, income stream number 4. So basically there are 7 income stream. Okay, but what I saw, the income stream 1, this is the one which is the cash cow of this funnel. Okay, this is the one which is making the most money. Even I made this $75,000. This $75,000 is from income stream number 1. Okay, so I would recommend you, if you are starting, just focus on income stream number 1 for the time. Okay, and even these people, most of the results what I observed, most of the results are from income stream number 1. Okay, so if you are just starting, I would recommend you to start with income stream number 1. Okay, and then you can upgrade to the income stream number 2 and 3 as well. Okay, so guys, once you have landed on your dashboard, you need to create your account here. So you're gonna click sign up / create account, and if you're having issue, so you will click here for tutorial, and here you will see how to create your account in Easy One Up, which is the income stream number 1 here. Okay, so once you have created your income stream number 1, you just gonna copy this username. Okay, you will copy your username here and you're gonna paste it here. Okay, once you have pasted here, you will click save and update, and your income stream 1 is ready. So you will do same with income stream 2 and 3, but for the time being I would say just stick with income stream number 1. Okay, because that's what making the people most money right now. So guys, this is your affiliate link. Okay, this is your affiliate link that you're going to promote. So now the thing is, how you going to promote this link, how you gonna send traffic to this link, so that once you have sent the traffic, you can make money from all this income stream. Okay, so basically guys, what you need to do is, if you see here, these are the traffic sources that you're going to use. Okay, the first one is solo ads. So you're going to use solo ads to drive traffic to your done for you system. Okay, second, you can use Facebook ads to generate sales for your income stream. Third is Facebook free traffic. So these are the traffic source you're going to use to generate income for yourself. Okay, now when you're going to land on Easy One Up, there are different label. Okay, there are Elevation Elite, Elevation Vertex, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro. So basically there are different labels inside income stream number one that you can start with. Okay, from $25 up to $2,000. Okay, I personally went with $2,000 label because I want the biggest commission from myself, and the reason I recommend you to choose the highest label is that so that you can make the most money. Okay, and here I give you some of bonuses that you can use. Okay, when you join at $2,000 label, okay, what I'm gonna give you, I give you free spot of your affiliate link in YouTube ad rotator. Okay, so this is the bonus number one, where you're going to get some free traffic in this YouTube ad rotator. Okay, so this is the bonus number one with $2,000 label. And the second bonus is I'm gonna give you a free upgrade to income stream number two at the highest level. So like here, this is the income stream number two, and the highest level is $998. So basically you wanna make up to $1,000 here in income stream number two. So when you join at $2,000 level, I'm gonna give you free upgrade to the income stream number two at the highest level. Okay, and the third bonus, I'm gonna give you my Facebook ad training course. Okay, my Facebook ad training course that gonna guide you how you can promote such offers on the Facebook ads. Okay, and the fourth bonus is a complimentary Mexico vacation stay. So that's 3 to 4 days Mexico stay. Okay, Mexico vacation that you gonna get at $2,000 level. Okay, so these are the bonuses guys that you're gonna get when you join at 2K level, and that's what I recommend you, because that's the place where most sale will happen. Okay, when you will promote your link, the most sale that will come will be at 1K level and 2K level. So I would recommend you to go for the highest level. Okay, even in the group you can see that most of the sales that these people are making, these are the $2,000 sales, right? Here is $2,000, here is another $2,000. Okay, here is another $2,000. So I would recommend you to go for the highest level. It's a one-time payment and you are done. Okay, here are the bonuses for $1,000 level. Here are the bonuses for $500 level. So anyway guys, this is how you can start on this system. Okay, I will put the link of this funnel below this video so you can check it out, and go ahead, create an account on income stream number one, and I will send you those bonuses to your email. And I would say this is the best program to work in next 30 days, in next 3 months. If your goal is to make $10,000 per month, this is the best affiliate marketing program that you can work on to make your goal from affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you have any question, ask them below this video. You can also join my Facebook group. I will put the link in the description, or you can also message me on the Facebook. So yeah guys, go ahead, create your account and start making sales like me and like these people. Okay, so yeah, bye. Go ahead, see you inside.